Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and manage users and roles in NAKIVO Backup and Replication. In the Solutions interface, navigate to Settings, go to the General tab, and select Users and Roles. On the Users tab in the upper pane, you can see the list of local users added to NAKIVO Backup and Replication sorted by name, role, two-factor authorization, and group. You can filter displayed names by name, role, state, or group, add new users, integrate Active Directory accounts, manage two-factor authentication, and edit user roles. To add local users, click the plus symbol in the upper right corner of the Users and Roles page. Input the username, name, password, email, and user description. If you want to manually generate a password for the user, uncheck Generate Password and Send by Email. Then click Next to proceed to the Role tab. Open the Role drop-down list to select a user role, then click Finish. To edit local users, hover over the item you want to manage, click the ellipsis symbol, and select the action required. You can edit, delete, disable, assign roles, or enable 2FA to existing users. In the Roles tab, you can see all user roles currently exist. NAKIVO Backup and Replication comes with such predefined roles as Administrator, Backup Operator, Recovery Operator, and View Only role. To manage user roles, hover over the item you want to manage, click the ellipsis symbol, and select Edit, Delete, or Clone Roles. You can also add new roles by clicking the plus symbol and selecting Add Role. On the Add Role page, input the name and description of the role, then click Next. In the Permissions tab, specify the necessary permissions for the role and click Finish. Click the AD Groups tab to see all Active Directory groups sorted by group name, logged in users, and role. Here you can filter groups by group name, role, number of users, or status. On the AD Groups, click the AD Integration button to open the Active Directory Configuration Wizard. In the Settings tab of the wizard, enter the domain name and preferred DC host name or IP. On Prioritize Integrated Groups, enter group names that will be synced with the product. If no group names are provided, all discovered AD groups will be synced. Provide domain user login and password and choose how often AD information should be updated. Click the Apply button. After we integrate NAKIVO Backup and Replication with Active Directory, which will be confirmed by the checkmark, we need to assign a role for the Administrators group. On the AD Groups tab of the Users and Roles page, click the plus symbol and select the group you would like to assign the role to and click Next. Select the role from the menu at the top and click Finish. Now let's make sure that users who belong to the Administrators group can log into NAKIVO Backup and Replication. Log out, input user credentials, and click Log In. Now go to Settings, Users, and Roles. As you can see, the administrator on nakivolab.local is already logged in. Also, if you go to the AD Groups tab, you can see one user logged in. And that concludes our how-to video. Visit the NAKIVO Resource Library for more how-tos and other useful resources.